Let's turn to the ring now as Richard Frog Holmes advanced to his fifth semi-final after scoring a controversial unanimous decision over Canada's LARONE Jet White in Wednesday night's third quarterfinal of the Ray and Neville Contender Series for the welterweight title.
Although confident ahead of Thursday night's fight, Richard Frog Holmes, the most consistent boxer over the past 7 seasons of the Contender Series, knew Canada's LARONE Jet White would be tough to beat. And Holmes got off to a good start, throwing regular jabs while counter-punching to force White on the defensive in the opening round. White, who found his reach by closing down Holmes and landing several combinations of punches to the body, controlled the second round, even as the Jamaican tried to counter-punch his way out of trouble. The third round was the best round for Holmes, who twice had the Canadian in trouble with 2 straight rights and uppercuts, which saw White holding on to avoid hitting the canvas. Holmes went in for the kill in the fourth, throwing several combinations at White. But with a minute left in the round, White made a late charge as Holmes seemed to have lost steam. In the fifth and final round, White looked the stronger of the 2 fighters as he attacked Holmes with his trademark body shots. With the Jamaican holding on to see out the round, referee Ian Jardine was forced to separate both boxers. At the end of the contest, Judge Lawrence Newville and Canada's Jim Mockelban both scored it 49-46, while Lyndall Allen scored it 50-45, all in favor of Holmes in a unanimous decision. White was visibly upset about the judges' scores.
Honestly, man, it's crazy still. Straight robbery. Unanimous decision. What kind of fight were they watching? I clearly won the last round. Like, come on. I don't even know what to say. Honestly, I could have done more. I should have hit the body more. I was trying to look more clean and not get hit as much. But I should have just stayed in his face and made a rough and tough fight. At the end of the day, I won the fight. I hurt him. He never hurt me.
Holmes, who was reaching his 5th straight Contender semifinals, had no problems with the judges' scores.
Yeah, I think I outboxed him the old 5 round, you know. So I have nothing to say, you know, because it was a good fight. He fights strong, but I fight strong as well, so I get the victory. So what's wrong with that?
With the fitness level of Holmes still looking suspect, his trainer Carl Grant believes he'll hit top shape for the remainder of the competition.
One of the things, you know, Frog was just trying to concentrate on boxing as I instruct him to do, but today make it 3 months he fight the last fight. So that make a toll on his body, because they have him up and down when he want to fight, and you have to readjust. Then they change the boxer. There was a lot of things going on to him. So the fact that we win this fight, we can go back to the drawing board and start all over again.
Nico Yayo and Ricardo Salas will clash in next Wednesday's 4th quarterfinal for the last semi-final spot.